How to verify age on Roblox. Okay, let's go to three dots in the lower right corner, then find settings. Once you are on settings page, go to account info, which is the first option. Okay, here, this is where you're going to enter your age. Make sure you are at least 13 years old. Next, you're going to tap on verify my age button. Then you want to go to start session, begin verifying button. Now select your location and choose driver's license. The app is going to ask you to show the front side of your driver's license. Once you take a picture of that, turn your driver's license around and scan the code on the back. Now they will ask you to connect to Persona and you will be asked to be taking a picture of yourself. And that's it, guys. This is how you verify your age on Roblox. By the way, as soon as you do that, you will open up the ability to enable voice chat, but that's going to be under the privacy tab. And that's it, guys. This is how you verify your age in Roblox.